Hi, my name's Dave. I'm one of the co-founders of HyperFeed. What I wanted to show you today is one of the ways that you can use HyperFeed to kind of first thing in the morning create some content for you, some nice relevant content that kind of get your social media content going for the day. So we've got a lot of great tools over here. I'm going to be creating different videos for those soon, but the one I want to show today is the AI coworker. So we can just go ahead and create that. I've already got one going here. I'm just going to click over in the corner here to create a new session. And then from here, you can kind of give it what you want. We have some nice pre-created prompts for you to just kind of choose from. You can also type, have it do anything you'd like. It's a very powerful agent. So, for creating social media content. So there's a lot of things you can do. Just one example here. I'll go with this one. And so what this is going to do is it's going to go and find trending content. So I've asked it to do that. So it's going to go and do some searching for me on social media, across the news sources, kind of see what are people talking about today, and then create a nice visual image for it that relates to my company, and then kind of ties the post in together like that. So I'm going to go ahead and send this. This takes a couple of minutes because it is kind of doing some of that research behind the scenes. You can go ahead and feel free to leave it, and it'll kind of do the work, and you can kind of come back anytime you'd like. So I'll check back in with you in just a minute once this is done. All right, so our post has finished processing. The agents have done their research. You can see the different steps it took right here to look at the different trending topics, looking at the social media creation. We have the post here and a nice image to go along with it. So the post is about a topical thing in the news right now, which is there's a lot of things around AI being used for cheating, school and other things. Cluely is kind of a big topic that I keep seeing popular. So I think this is really topical. I really like this tweet a lot. Well formatted, mentions our business and kind of ties into the news. And then I really like the image, so I'm going to go ahead and save and edit this. And what this is going to do, this will pop this over into our editor here, or I can go ahead and use some of the different tools here. We have some AI commands if you want to run it back through AI and improve the writing or do different things to it. So you can kind of tie into the AI again right there. And then to post it, you just go over here to post on social, and you can post to Twitter or LinkedIn. I'll post this one to Twitter for now. And here's a little preview of what it'll look like. I've already connected my Twitter. If you need to, it'll prompt you, but you can also go into manage your account and hook it up right here. And so since we've already done that though, I'll go ahead and just tweet this. And there we go. And if I go over here, let me refresh my Twitter and we should see it pop up. All right, there it is. So that's all I wanted to show you today. Thanks a lot.